Oh, I don't think even themselves would have predicted for it to go this well, but I knew what a good team they had last season, and obviously when they lost those few players that they lost and change of manager, I seen the players that they brought in, and I'd seen those players, and I knew that they would be fine, and because there was a lot of talk of how they would struggle, but I knew they would be perfectly fine and have a good season. But to be doing this well, I don't think anyone expected it, but all credit to them. They're serious contenders for Champions League place. They're in third position, in a real healthy position in the league, and they've had a brilliant season. They've been a joy to watch in some of their games, and they deserved. The best bit about it is they deserve to be where they are, and that's credit to the manager, credit to the players, and the club itself. I know the club very well, and it's obviously good to see them doing so well. Hopefully they don't do so well on Sunday, but I'm sure that they'll finish off the season with a realistic chance of finishing in that top four. Yeah, for sure we've had a dip in form in terms of what we've been. I think it's the most disappointed I've been is the last two games. I think Chelsea and Blackburn, the games before, the draw with QPR under the circumstances that we faced in that game was a good point. West Ham, that we played against a very good team within that situation, was a good point in the end. And it's really the last two games that have disappointed me, but not just me, the players themselves. We're fully aware of what we need to do, and this is a period where we have not reached the standards or the levels of performance that we have done throughout the majority of the season. So it's really trying to fight to get back to that